Hello guys and girls, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I just want to show you what are the fees required to pay when you're buying and selling bitcoins. There are a lot of currency exchanges out there with which you can buy and sell crypto coins, bitcoins especially. You're looking at my account, and now I use Coinbase, and I don't really trade much with it, but you can see that's my balance, and you can see what my portfolio has been this year. In terms of Bitcoin, it's just the money just sits there. I don't do anything with it, but I'm now thinking about funding this account just because I need to put some money to the side. So I'm gonna use Bitcoin as a way to save some money. But I was looking into the fees, and Coinbase is kind of okay, I will show you how much it costs to the pricing of that. So if you were to do a transaction to convert your euro into bitcoins, this is what the table looks like. So if I was to convert $10, the fee is $1. So that's like 10%. It is very high. Okay, so but if you convert more money, then the fees goes down up to 1.49%, which is quite low, which is okay. It's still high, but it's still low, and there is a security with Coinbase because there are a lot of fake websites out there. They look like Bitcoin trading websites, and they offer low fees, and then they're not real Bitcoin exchanges, and so you have to be careful with that. I trust Coinbase, and also in this video there's a link with which if you open account with that link, you get $10, and I get $10 if you open account with that link. So there's an invitation link which is in the description. You can use that. Now if I was to convert up to $25, then the fees is $149. So it's low. And then if I convert up to $50, then the fees is $2, which is it should have been $3, but it's now $2 as compared to this $25. And if you're converting more than $200, then it is going to be equal to $200 is going to be $3, so which is even lower. Now if you convert more than $200, then it's going to be 1.49%. So I'm going to show you this how it works. Okay, so to buy so right now I only have euro balance. I don't have any bitcoins is over there. I got rid of it in March. You can see some trading history there. So let's do this. So if I was to convert, let's look at the first item, $10. Okay, so if I do $10, so this means I'm buying bitcoins, and I'm paying with my euro wallet. So if I do a preview, it should tell me 99 cents, which is exactly what I see here. Okay, so if I hit buy now, it's gonna convert me 9 euros worth of bitcoins at this rate, and I'll get very tiny amount, which is like 0.001 cent of the bitcoin. Okay, so I don't want that. If I do $25, let's check that out. $25 preview, and I should get about 149. It is 149. Okay, and with that, that's my purchase. Let's go up one notch further. Let's do $50, and that should give me 199. Okay, so 199 preview, that's 199 indeed. Let's do 200, and that should give me 299 preview, 299. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to beat the fees, and I want to get the lowest fees as possible. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to convert 250 euro worth of bitcoins, and I should get about, let's work this. Okay, so 250.0149. okay, so I should have this much fees. Let's preview, and I do have this much fees. It's close. Okay, so it's 3.69, and I will get how many? 0.02 bitcoins. So let's do that. I'm gonna get these bitcoins now, so let's buy now. Okay, now I'm planning to send more money to my Bitcoin account. So order was submitted. We will send you email when you order status updates. Okay, so that's okay, and I can come out of this. And I just sold 250 euros to get some bitcoins, and I can see I've got some bitcoins there. It's got 244. Okay, so yeah, this is the thing. Okay, so according to yeah, I sent 250, right? Yeah, so I mean, I'm not sure where is the other money gone. Plus 244.75. So there's still 2.5 euro missing. It just disappeared. Maybe it's just a fluctuation of the money or whatever it is. Okay, so these things happen. So you know, okay, so I got so 244. What was the actual feed which they took out? Let's calculate that now. 525. So it was not 375, it was 525. You can see there, right there. Okay, divided by 250, so it's like 2% they took off, and they're saying to you it's 1.49. So you know, they took a 0.5% more. Anyway, that's where we are. And so thanks for watching, and I will bring you a next update in which I'm gonna send 10,000 euros into my Bitcoin account. I need to send it from my bank into my Coinbase, and I'm going to show you that live. I'm going to show you that on the video, and then see how much fees they're charging me. Okay, so thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like this video, send me comments, send me emails, and I'll see you again. Take care. Bye.